The Galaxy S24 series, including the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, has sparked quite a bit of discussion among Samsung enthusiasts, primarily due to the screen's perceived lack of vibrancy when compared to earlier Galaxy models. Specifically, the vivid display setting on these new devices doesn't seem to boost colors as one might expect, acting more like the natural setting, which is designed for more lifelike color reproduction. Samsung has been leaning towards a more natural color presentation in its recent devices, incorporating adaptive color tone technology that adjusts the display's colors and white balance according to the surrounding light, using the phone's cameras. However, this move hasn't been universally welcomed by all Galaxy S24 users. Many have voiced their preference for more vibrant colors, critiquing the focus on realism and calling for a broader range of color settings. In response to this feedback, Samsung announced an upcoming software update that introduces a vividness adjustment slider within the Vivid Display mode. This addition will allow users to fine-tune the color saturation and vibrancy to their liking. As of February 20th, this update, which enriches the Vivid Display mode, was first launched in South Korea, with plans for a wider release still pending. Thanks to the global community and platforms like Twitter, users outside South Korea have been able to get a sneak peek of the improvements through shared videos, such as one from user at mbak_cave. These previews showcase a marked difference when the Vivid option is selected, though the full impact of the vividness slider on the overall display quality remains somewhat uncertain. This uncertainty may arise from limitations in video capture or possibly hint at additional refinements Samsung might need to explore in future updates. For now, the good news is that the display no longer looks uniformly dull across both the vivid and natural settings. Looking forward, there's optimism for further enhancements, especially if Galaxy S24 users find the current adjustments insufficient. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.